everybody, I'm out here with our potatoes. This is our big potato section that we have. We have our potatoes planted in these 20 and 25 gallon smart pots. So we made a video where we planted these out. We'll post a link in the comments. It's probably been about 2 months or so now. But as they have been growing, we've been adding soil in. Whenever we first planted them, we only had this soil about halfway. And then once the leaves and the greens started sprouting up, we started to add more soil as it went. And then we actually had a really bad freeze that came through a couple weeks ago. And these potatoes looked rough. We'll insert a picture too so you can see it. But they looked dead. But these potatoes are super resilient, so they sprung back to life in no time. And now, I mean, look at them. They look beautiful now, right? So it just took them a little bit to come back, and now they're just flourishing and doing great. So hopefully pretty soon we'll have some potatoes. One of the most common questions we get about potatoes is how to know when to harvest them. So you can find all this information in our app also. So if you don't have it, check that out, From Seed to Spoon. It'll give you all the details on that. But what we do is we like to wait until these leaves and they start dying back. That's how you know that the potatoes are ready to go ahead and be harvested. But one of the great things about potatoes is, I mean, you can harvest them pretty much at any point. So once, you hit the couple month mark, you can start to go through and harvest the little potatoes, which are called new potatoes. And you can harvest them as really small, or you can wait till later in the season, which is what we typically do. And then wait till they get a lot bigger and then have them that way.